Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix game not visible in Google Play Store on Realme C85. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here scroll down and search Play Store app. You will see Play Store app is here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on games. Now here you will see click on account. Now here scroll down, you will see click on settings. Now in setting you will see second option is family, so click on family. Now here, so click on here. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, enter pin. You will see enter pin, click on OK, again enter pin. You will see, so after the process, click on save. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix game not visible in Google Play Store on Realme C85. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.